Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Well, your forecast this evening, skies will gradually clear out and should allow temperatures to head down close to 10 degrees by 11 o'clock. Overnight down near zero. Late tonight we may see some of those low clouds redevelop and even the possibility of some ice fog to start the day. 3 degrees at 8 o'clock, 20 at noon, and 27 at 5 p.m. So some reduction in visibilities, maybe a couple of slick spots because of that. Snowfall totals that were very heavy south of us. We just saw the areas around central and northern Kentucky, southern Ohio just pounded last night by snow. 17 inches in Lexington, Frankfort about 14 inches, Elizabethtown, Kentucky 13, and even parts of southern Ohio, Portsmouth and Lucasville 13 inches of snow, and Wheelersburg ended up with 11 inches of snow. Just about 1 to 2 inches over the southern part of our region last night. And now as we look at a time lapse in Beaver Creek at the Phillips Company, sun heading down, just a few scattered clouds out there with partly to mostly sunny skies. So skies clear, we'll head down close to zero. Some of the outlying areas could even dip a little bit below zero, and our record low temperature tomorrow morning, zero back in 1901. So we have a chance of at least tying that record, maybe even setting a record low if we stay clear long enough. Live Doppler 2 HD. Tonight we are looking at dry weather over the Dayton area of the Miami Valley. We've been tracking some flurries northwest of us, but even those appear to be weakening on the radar scope as they move southeastward, and those clouds will continue to thin out through the evening as well. 22 degrees the high today, 17 our low. And by the way, if you missed the top of the newscast, that 22, that's a record low maximum. We tied it for today. Right now we have mostly sunny skies, 19 degrees, a north-northwest wind at 7, a wind chill factor at 10, and our weather checkers tonight, upper teens to right around 20. Up in Greenville, Lowell Miller tonight looking at a 19-degree temperature there, and over in Trotwood, Pat Leacan, 22 degrees. Jim Allen in Springboro tonight, 23, and Jim ended up with just shy of 2 inches of snow over the past 24 hours. Future track forecast tonight will show those skies thinning on out, at least for a while tonight. As I mentioned, may see some low clouds or some areas of ice fog develop here late night, and then that should burn off quickly tomorrow morning. Lots of sunshine expected, at least for the first half of the day, but we may get back to at least a little bit more cloud cover late day as we see a weak disturbance move in from the northwest, but still looking for a pretty nice day tomorrow, just a cold one. Skies will be clearing out tonight. It'll be a frigid one. The record cold temperatures possible. Overnight lows right around 0 degrees. Then tomorrow mostly sunny in the morning, becoming partly sunny in the afternoon with highs reaching the upper 20s. Hour by hour forecast, maybe some of that patchy ice fog to start the day, but then warming quickly, 14 by 10 o'clock, 20 at noon, and some of the increase in clouds late day there, and 27 at 5 o'clock, 25 at 7 p.m. in your Storm Team 2 7-day forecast. Saturday morning down to 24, looking for a high of 40 degrees, and then we'll be up around 40 on Sunday, a slight chance of snow flurries, but look at what happens next week. A slow warming trend, 44 on Monday, should be into the upper 40s on Tuesday, and can you believe it? Even a chance of getting up into the 50s if we get enough of that snow melted here over the next several days.
Yeah, and the hope is we can continue that trend on into your
usually
next
doesn't work that way. It'll probably
next
start
forecast.
cooling off again, but yeah, eventually we'll definitely be even warmer than that.
All right, Brian, thanks so much.